Smile with Aligner's way to get beautiful smile.
This might just look like a little piece of plastic, but inside every Invisalign clear aligner, there's a whole lot of technology. Your journey could start with a simple scan, giving you a glimpse of what your future smile could look like what you see. First, your provider uses cutting-edge software and technology to check you're suitable for Invisalign treatment. Every shift in your teeth is planned out from beginning to end, using 3D technology to calculate just the right amount of force needed, creating a digital roadmap to get you the results you want. Next, we take that roadmap and bring it to life, using 3D printing to create your custom aligners. Our aligners stand out from the crowd. Only Invisalign clear aligners are made with specialist SmartTrap material, developed by biomechanical engineers, which is trimmed to fit your gums perfectly. That means greater comfort for you. Our flexible aligners hug your teeth closer for a better fit, accurate movements, and of course, a beautiful smile.